And our second sound of speed sound set 2 for spelling practice is E.
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 What is a rhyme for E?
What can you see?
What can you see? Let's revise the sound quickly.
I. U. O. R. Ow. U. Ow. O. I. A. E.
E. E is a sound of the
day.
day for spelling practice. Now, show me your fat fingers. Yes. Show me your 4 fat fingers. 3, 2. Good. Now, I will give you a word. You have to pinch the word on your fat fingers and find how many sound the word has, and then write it by pinching the sound, okay? And find which sound is it. And you will write the special friend with different marker. Okay? The first word is green.
Green.
First pinch the green on your fat fingers.
Okay. E.
How many sound it has?
4.
4. Write it. G. Also underline the special friend.
Okay.
G. R. E. N. Green. And the next word is sleep. Pinch the sleep on your fat finger.
E.
It has
4 sounds.
4 sound. Start writing. Underline the special friends. E. P. Sleep. And the next word is 3.
E. 3.
3. It has 3 sound. Three has another special friends. Underline it.
Do I have to do the green or orange?
Green. It's not green. Th. R. E. 3. And the next word is scene.
Scene.
Pinch the scene on your fat fingers.
E. Scene.
Yes, again.
E. Scene.
It has 3 sound.
Sounds. E.
Scene. The last word is bean.
The. E.
It has
3
3 sound. Write it.
The. E. Bean.
Bean. And write the word spray.
A.
Spray. How many sound it has?
4.
4. Write it. pray. And write the word play. You can write it here. As yesterday our sound was A. Play. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Just underline the special friend.
Okay.
A. Play.